Welcome to summer school for Career Prep 1 and 2. The activity that we've supplied for you to complete in order to earn your credit for Career Prep in summer school has some activities that help you to move toward the goal that basically is kind of the litmus test of everything I choose in deciding what I'm going to present to you in the class when I teach it during the school year. Two goals I have for my students leaving me from Career Prep is that they have a clear understanding of the path they need to take to reach their goals for the future, and that they learn how to manage their money and not let their money manage them. Okay, so the activities that I've designed or that we've put together for you here kind of put some of that together. A lot of this is going to be as helpful and useful to you as the amount of energy that you put into it. Okay. If you just slough through it, you won't get much out of it. If you really take some time, give some thought to the answers, and be thoughtful in your preparation of the answers to the questions, this could be a wonderful tool to kind of be your compass to help you direct the path that you need to take so that you can reach what you feel like would be success in your life. And that's what's important too. What's success look like to you, not someone else? Okay. So here's the packet. And the first and major part of this packet is just some career lessons and activities to complete. And you can just write right onto the paper, answer the questions, talks about a dream job and what would be a dream job for you. So forth. Like I said, the activities. Do you want to work in what area? What does a work week look like to you ideally? Okay, do you want to work nights, days? Do you want flexible hours, comp time, so forth? Okay. Social media is really important in affecting whether or not you can get a job sometimes. If you think employers don't check out your social media accounts before they hire you, you are mistaken. So be careful. Okay. Define what your vision is for the future. If you don't know where you're going, you certainly aren't going to have a plan to get there. Okay. And then connecting this vision, it's one thing just to sit around and daydream all day about what you want to do, but that doesn't just happen by daydreaming. It takes work and energy with that dream to get you where you need to be. Okay. And then writing a good resume is always a very important step. One of the key elements I feel here is everybody's short on time these days. So your resume should be no more than one page. It should catch the attention of the reader immediately and be clear, concise, and free from grammatical and typographical errors. Super important. Okay, some more about resumes, some tips on interviewing, sharing skills through storytelling, and that's your they call it your car statement. I used to call it an elevator speech. Okay, somebody says, what do you do or what do you want to do? You need to kind of have something in your head that would take the few seconds that it would to ride in an elevator to tell them. And that's kind of what you want to think about. Okay, and then always you're kind of judged by how you look. Fair or not, that's the way of the world. So first impressions are very important. It takes 20 good impressions to reverse a negative first impression. So be very careful. After you finish those activities, this is just an explanation. Okay, that's the first part. There's one more part of your packet that you need to complete, and that is to create some kind of visual that shares what you hope to do and what your plans are to reach your future goals. Okay, I have put several things that I expect you to address in this project. This project can be a essay that you've written, could be a booklet that you prepare, it can be a PowerPoint that you've put together, so forth. But you do need to make sure that you address each of these things that you see on the screen now, okay? Here is the rubric that will be used to grade you, and you will have a copy of that to look at, okay? I've also included, and it's not very interesting looking because it's black and white printed, but it should be in color when you do it. A PowerPoint I prepared as if I was a student in this class and what I would hope it might look like. So this is from my own personal life, and hopefully it will just give you an idea of kind of what we're looking for here, okay? And that's it, okay? There's an answer document. Okay, so again, this is just to kind of get you thinking. You've got to think, you've got to dream, and then you've got to work very hard to reach your goals. No matter how many great tools you get in your tool belt, though, there's always going to be unexpected waves that come to wash you off your path. And the more that you fill your tool belt with good tools, the better you will be able to get back on the path after you get washed down, because that's happening some point in your life, no matter what. Okay. I hope you enjoy these activities, and I hope that they help you, but I also hope you get them done and get credit for class. So good luck and happy life. Thanks.